Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Sometimes all we need is just a prompt to connect the dots.
In today's fast-changing digital world, understanding key technologies is no longer optional. Whether you are 20-something or in your 70s, a tech enthusiast or a person that is not working in technology industry but using technology every day, mobile phone, smart TV, for example, watching this short video will help you have a basic understanding of the technology world to upgrade your lifestyle or simply improve your personal productivity. This video will demystify concepts shaping our future, from AI, generative AI, blockchain, XR, and the Metaverse to automation. We'll also explore the powerful underlying infrastructures that enable these advancements like cloud computing, data, 5G, and quantum computing. Finally, we'll cover foundational principles like Agile and DevOps, the critical importance of security and sustainability in technology. Now let's start with where the magic begins. The cloud. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of computing resources such as servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and analytics over the internet. Instead of owning physical hardware, organizations rent what they need from cloud service providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Users access these resources via the internet, paying only for what they use. There are three types of cloud infrastructure: infrastructure as a service, software as a service, and platform as a service. IaaS is like you have a land to rent and the renter is responsible for building and maintaining the property on it. SaaS is like you have a hotel with all the ready-for-use facilities and the guests don't need to do or maintain anything. And PaaS is like you own a building with many apartments. The renters or apartment owners are responsible for maintaining their own apartment. However, you are responsible for maintaining all common areas and the underlying infrastructure such as electricity, water. Similarly, there are also three types of cloud: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud is like a train. People pay for their own routes and use all the shared ready-for-use facilities on the train. Private cloud is like you rent a car for your own use only. And hybrid cloud is like an Uber ride that you can have it for yourself or join a shared ride with other passengers. Cloud has a lot of benefits. The key ones are mentioned in AWS well-architected framework, including improving productivity, optimizing cost, improving performance, high availability, providing better security, and contributing to sustainability through optimizing the allocation of shared computing resources. Now on to our next stop: data. You probably heard the saying, data is the new oil. In today's world, data gives us actionable insights and also impacts our ways of living in all aspects. It's big. Big data refers to extremely large and complex datasets coming from various sources that are difficult to manage, process, or analyze using traditional data processing tools and techniques. 5 key characteristics of big data are volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. It's crucial that organizations have a clear data strategy to manage and leverage their data for decision-making. A framework was developed by the DAMA International Data Management Association called DCAM, which stands for Data Management Capability Assessment Model, to help organizations assess their maturity in managing data effectively. You need to know 3 types of data: unstructured, semi-structured, and structured. You can store all types of data in the data lake. Data warehouse is a central repository of integrated data from multiple sources for analytics and reporting across the organization. Database is an organized system that we put our data into, which will then help us with a bunch of other needs. There are 2 types of database: relational and non-relational. Now we move on to our next hot topic of the decades: AI and Gen AI. Artificial intelligence is the general concept of machines acting in a way that simulates or mimics human intelligence. Under the AI umbrella, you have ML, NLP, robotics, etc. Generative AI is AI capable of creating new and original content, e.g. text, image, music, video. For AI to work, we need to train data models such as foundation models, LLMs, transformer models, and diffusion models. These models are the output of algorithms, which are predefined rules given to AI machines to perform tasks. Organizations have options to train the models themselves, which will be very expensive, or purchase pre-trained models and fine-tune them. In order to produce models, we use machine learning. There are two types of machine learning: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Now let's move on to the next topic. You probably saw all the big headlines like Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin hit $100,000 in 2024. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, and the principle of how it works is called blockchain. Blockchain is a technology that stores information in a way that makes it secure and hard to change. It works by grouping data into blocks and linking them together in a chain. Each block contains a record of transactions, and once data is added, it can't be easily altered. Blockchain is used in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and can also be applied in a wide range of industries. Hashing in blockchain is a process that turns any input like a piece of data or a transaction into a fixed-length string of characters using random calculations called a hash. This hash acts like a unique fingerprint for the data. In blockchain, every block has a unique hash. The block's hash depends on the data inside the block. The hash of one block is linked to the next block, creating the chain. Any change to the block's contents will change its hash, making it easy to detect tampering and irreversible. Smart contract is a mini-computer program, a predefined list of rules written in code to very specifically control a business transaction. On the blockchain, it will be executed automatically based on those rules. Moving on to quantum computing, which can significantly enhance AI by solving problems that are currently too complex for classical computers to handle efficiently. Remember that quantum computing is still in its early stages. At the core of quantum computing are qubits, which are the quantum equivalent of classical bits, but have the ability to exist in multiple states at once due to superposition. This allows quantum computers to explore many possible solutions simultaneously, dramatically speeding up certain computations. Entanglement is where qubits become linked, and the state of one qubit can instantly affect the state of another, regardless of the distance between them. This interconnectedness enables quantum computers to process information in a highly parallel manner, increasing efficiency. Quantum interference further enhances this power by helping to amplify the correct solutions and cancel out incorrect ones, ensuring more accurate results. Quantum computing use cases can be found in machine learning, AI, logistics optimization, drug discovery, etc. The next topic is familiar with everyone: 5G. 5G is the fifth generation of wireless technology, offering faster speeds, lower latency, and better connectivity. It builds on LTE and improves efficiency with massive MIMO, which boosts signal quality and capacity. Platooning enables self-driving cars to communicate, while beamforming enhances signal strength and reduces interference, supporting high-speed 5G networks for mobile internet and IoT. XR, extended reality, is an umbrella term encompassing all immersive technologies, including virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. VR immerses users in fully virtual environments, often using headsets. AR overlays digital content onto the real world, like through smartphones or smart glasses. MR blends real and virtual elements, allowing interaction with both physical and digital objects in real time. The Metaverse is a collective virtual universe where users interact with each other and digital environments, often combining aspects of VR, AR, and MR to create a fully immersive shared experience across platforms. One of the main purposes of technology is automation. The two key types of automation are RPA and BPA. Now let's talk about Agile and DevOps. Agile is a project management methodology focused on iterative development, flexibility, and collaboration to deliver high-quality software. It emphasizes customer feedback and continuous improvement. DevOps is a culture and set of practices that combine software development and IT operations to improve collaboration, automate processes, and accelerate delivery. The next topic is security or information security. Have you ever received a scammed call or email? The high chance is yes. As cybercrime becomes more sophisticated nowadays, make sure you have a full understanding of ransomware, phishing, malware, and social engineering to protect yourself and family from the troubles. The CIA triad, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, forms the core of information security. Authentication verifies user identity, while encryption protects data. Firewalls control network access, and the zero trust model requires verification for all users, inside or outside the network. Penetration testing identifies vulnerabilities by simulating attacks. Technology sustainability focuses on reducing environmental impacts through eco-friendly practices and efficient resource use. Emission Scope 1 includes direct emissions from owned sources. Scope 2 covers indirect emissions from purchased energy, and Scope 3 involves all other indirect emissions in the value chain, such as supplier activities and transportation. These are all essential basic tech concepts in today's digital era. Please comment below to share what you have learned or like.
Like this video if you find it useful, and subscribe my channel for more exciting topics to explore. See you next time.